Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete your Threads account right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. Well, if you are a user of Threads Instagram app and you would like to delete that account, what you're going to do is simply go ahead first, open your Threads app. Once the app is open, you see you are logged in over here. So what you can do is, for that purpose, go ahead, tap on this profile icon on below right corner. Now you can go ahead, find your profile, and if you want to remove your account or delete your account, tap on this two lines given on top of your mobile phone right corner. If you tap on that, you will be able to find this menu option. Go ahead, tap on the account. Now you have two options: take a break, where you will simply be able to take a break from your account for a while or from the app, and the other is deactivate profile. So if you would like why I would like to delete my account, then if you read over there in other account settings, some settings like deleting your account apply to both Threads and Instagram and can be managed on Instagram. As you can see, if you're deleting your Instagram app account, your Threads account will automatically be deleted. There is no separate option for that. If you go to deactivate a profile, you can go ahead and deactivate your account. Of course, once you're done deactivating, until you don't activate your account or don't come to the app, your app account will be activate, right? So you can either do deactivate your account, or if you would like to genuinely delete the account permanently, remove it, then you can do it from Instagram, by deleting your Instagram account as well. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.